Namaste, I'm Dr. Guleria, and we have the vaccine which is going to be available with us soon, and hopefully with that the pandemic will come to an end. At this point in time, I'd like to share some very important factual information with you. I know that many of you have some questions as far as the vaccine is concerned, and let's try and address some of them. Yes, vaccine trials are under different stages of finalization. Many of the vaccines are in the phase 3 trial and they're almost complete. So once regulatory clearances are given by the regulatory authorities, the Government of India is all geared up to launch these vaccines for COVID-19. For more information and updates, do visit the Government of India website www.mohfw.gov.in. This will depend on the availability of vaccine, and the Government of India has selected priority groups who will be vaccinated based on risk factors. The first group will include healthcare workers and frontline workers. The second group that will receive the COVID-19 vaccine will be persons over the age of 50 years and persons under 50 years with comorbid conditions. Well, vaccine for COVID-19 is voluntary. However, if you ask me, I think it is advisable to take the complete vaccine schedule as far as COVID-19 is concerned, because we want to protect ourselves and also protect our near and dear ones, our close contacts, our family members and our co-workers. The vaccine will be introduced in the country only after regulatory bodies clear it based on its safety and efficacy. I think safety is the most important factor, and all standard precautions, as have been followed in the past for giving vaccine approval, will be followed as far as this vaccine is concerned. Yes, the COVID-19 vaccine introduced in India will be as effective as any vaccine developed by other countries. So various phases of vaccine trials are undertaken to ensure its safety and efficacy. Thank you. Stay safe. The vaccine is around the corner, and I think this is the time that all of us should have COVID appropriate behavior so that we do not fall ill when the vaccine is just around the corner. So all the best, and I would advise everyone who falls into the category of getting the vaccine to get himself or herself vaccinated as early as possible.